I don't understand what I'm doing wrong. What am I doing wrong?
Have you not burped in your life?
I burped earlier and you guys laughed your asses off about it. I did that unintentionally. Yeah, because I did it in the middle of a fucking rant. I didn't intentionally do it. I just was ranting and then it actually went off like a fucking alarm. And so... Let's try it. Alright.
40. Good dude.
Not bad.
Why are you being such a piece of shit?
I'm surrounded by literal children.
Fun. Try drinking some soda.
I don't have it.
There is plenty in my fridge.
Can I have a spray?
Sure.
Sweet.
That's the most carbonated, yeah.
You can I dare you to chug that whole thing.
Oh, fuck no. I like to save my soda.
Well, you want to burp? For some stupid reason you want to burp? Do it. Do it.
Do it.
I also have not had a Sprite in 6 months.
Thank you.
When in doubt.
You can't just force yourself. You have to feel it coming up.
That's what she said.
Drink more.
No, that's not it. How do you do it? Fucking damn it. Okay, is there caffeine in this?
There's no caffeine, but there's plenty of carbonation.
Okay, good.
There's people out there who's literally like, you could do the Sprite challenge.
The what?
The Sprite challenge. Where they chug a whole bottle of Sprite, and the challenge is to not burp.
Woo!
You can literally do it. You just gotta get a bottle.
I'm also not good at chugging things, by the by. It's stuck in my throat. No, that's not it.
Do you feel anything?
No.
No.
Let's see here. Shit.
You look like someone trying to take a shit.
Yeah, I was king of the hill this shit. It'll happen eventually in the middle of the conversation. After I just keep drinking this.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
You're gargling a Sprite?
I'm trying to get it to work. Come on. That's got brings to the top, you know?
Yeah.
Nope.
You're gonna make yourself puke.
I'll be fine.
I'll be fine. 5 minutes later, he's chugging 15 different fucking pops trying to get himself to burp.
Okay. You fool.
It's funny.
Oh, fuck! It's not funny!
It's funny. You're even laughing at yourself.
I'm not laughing because you're laughing.
What's so funny?
Nothing.
I'm just sitting here!
I'm thinking of something else. I'll show you later.
Man, I think I feel something coming up, man. Wait, no, never mind. There it goes. Alright.
Finally.
No, wait, no, that's what it was.
Was it yawn?
It was a yawn.
Fuck, God fucking damn it. Shut, it's not funny!
It is funny.
Yeah, actually, this don't got the dark now. Fuck! Fuck!
You just sound like you're trying to throw up.
Well, while we were waiting to see if I can eventually fucking ow! Okay, you know, fuck this.
Keep going.
No, wait, no, that's the rest of it.
Heh.
Okay, so all the rest of the Sprite in one fucking shot. Okay, is there more of this? Can't tell.
You get shit all over your glasses.
No, okay, good. There. So now I've chugged every last sip of this godforsaken Sprite. Fuck! So the point is, it's gotta come up eventually.
Eventually. It should have came up a while ago.
Fuck! Just fucking once!
I've never met a man so determined to burp.
Because I don't understand how people just do it! I've never been able to do it on command. It always comes out in the middle when I'm fucking ranting or yelling about some shit. I need to be like so fucking pissed off about something, I'll randomly just go or whatever the fuck, and then everyone burst out laughing like a bunch of hyenas.
Alright,
Fucking madness, I tell you.
rant about the Lorax.
I'm not drinking a Pepsi. It's 10 o'clock at fucking night.
Here, can you get me a Sprite, please? Or wait, I'll get a Sprite.
I think we're out of Sprite.
Yeah, you just chugged the last one.
Oh, damn.
You want a Pepsi?
I'll try, yeah.
You'll try a Pepsi?
No, I mean, I'll have one.
Okay. I was like, you never tried one? Somehow.
I've had, like, water bottles full of Pepsi.
Throat. Fucking allergies. Alright, this no, fuck, alright. Fuck, for Fred's fuck's sake.
If you want to burp, do it.
It is 10 o'clock at night. I do not have any sleeping things on me. I feel like you'll go to fucking bed. Because out of the melatonin, those sleeping tablets are fucking out.
I do have. If you are.
You have like fucking everything in that thing. I wouldn't be surprised if you have the fucking Book of Korodai stashed away in that shit. Fucking have the fucking oh hey, here's my spare Keyblade I used back when I was fucking Kingdom Hearts or some shit.
Here's the holy grail. If you're this desperate to sleep, you try these.
I don't have a flu, you fucking idiot.
It's NyQuil.
Yeah, use it when you're fucking sick.
If you're desperate for sleep.
No one's like, oh hey, I need to sleep quick. I know. NyQuil, baby. They fucking pass out.
People will do desperate things for desperate shit.
Okay, fair enough. Counterpoint, I'm not desperate enough. Besides, I already sleep in until like 4 a.m. because you sleep like a fucking whale.
So at that point, I think you'd be pretty fucking desperate. Pills.
They look like pills and more like fucking gemstones. They look like someone's like like Dr. Mario
They're
ass
liquid-
fucking pills.
They're liquid gel pills.
None of these say help sleeping. These do not help you with sleeping. They help get rid of shit when you're sick during the night. Fuck. The back. There's uses on the back.
I know, but it also says shit in the front. But none of it's says sleep.
Uses include temporary relief common cold and flu symptoms, including but not limited to nasal congestion, sinus congestion, pressure, cough due to minor throat and bronchial inflation, irritation, cough to help you sleep, minor aches and pains, headache, fever, sore throat, runny nose, sneezing, swelling, breathing due to the fucking fever. What? Temporarily restores freer breathing. Who the fuck describes it like that? Nasal and sinus drainage. Nothing to do with sleep.
Well, it can help.
No, it.
Counterpoint. Shut the fuck
God damn it.
My earbud.
They're AirPods.
Fuck you.
Fucking idiot.
Which this idiot can do the basic bullshit thing of burping.
Burping is not basic. Holy shit.
It's not.
Burping. I do this. Stop. Back in the top. 1, 2, 3. Help it. Woo! Stop on your right foot. Don't you forget it. A little this, a little that, a little this, that. Burping is fucking impossible.
No, it's not. For you, it is impossible.
Oh, I'm glad I wasn't drinking anything because I would have splooged everywhere.
You dare me to finish it?
Sure.
Come on.
You just look like you're trying to vomit.
I'm trying to. Okay, you know what? Google.
You're gonna Google tips to burp?
Yes, how to burp. Swallow air, drink.
Carbonated beverage.
I already had Sprite.
Well, it didn't fucking work. This is gonna be the stupidest fucking video.
That count?
That was the shittiest burp ever.
Yeah, fucking hell.
That's worse than the holding in a burp. And burping like in your mouth and shit.
Yeah, no, fuck.
God.
Motion here, let's go. Fuck.
You fucking asshole. Now I gotta restart.
Yes, it is.
I tried it once.
Fuck. You practically chugged the entire can. Fuck. By the way, I stared at Ethan's eyes as I was chugging the fucking Pepsi.
Yeah.
He knew exactly what was coming.
Yeah.
This is a test. A scientific discovery, if you will. This is a Pepsi.
And this is a fat ass.
I am going to drink the Pepsi. Hopefully in one sitting, if not in multiple in quick rapid succession, in the hopes that I can figure out how the fuck to burp. Let us begin. Fuck.
If you don't feel
I can't
anything,
get out, chug shit.
if you can't feel anything building, keep going. Do you feel anything in your stomach?
No.
Keep going then.
That's what she said.
Ah shit, the shit on the fucking floor! I feel something in my stomach, is that good?
I mean, it could be the carbonation down in there.
It feels like there's more liquid than food.
Does it feel like it wants to come up?
No!
Not like in vomit, but like someone wants to explode outwards in a non-vomiting fashion.
You mean a shit?
No.
Well, then no.
Keep going.
Oh, my fucking heart. I felt that. Ow. I feel something coming up.
Okay.
Something's got to give.
This will be some sort of...
It's not.
This will be some discovery. Are you trying to suppress anything?
No.
Okay.
I'm trying to actively encourage it, in fact.
Okay.
Look at something.
This feels impossible. I feel like I couldn't do this. I would be echoing down the hall.
I just feel like you're gonna have a massive projectile vomit, like if you keep
if you're
doing
gonna
that.
vomit, you better at least do it that way.
I know where to fucking vomit, asshole. The bathroom's 2 feet in front of me. If I get sick, first of all, this is entirely on your fault for doing this.
You didn't have to accept the dare.
You didn't have to suggest it, because I'm not a bitch. Fuck! I feel something funny.
He just has a heart attack and dies.
That count? Is that it?
That is the pussiest butter
Fuck
pepper.
you.
After drinking all of that, I can take a sip and do better.
Alright, do it. Bat.
Fuck!
You saw it here, folks.
Of course I turn away the camera the moment you actually do it.
Fuck! It's bullshit, I tell you. It's fucking bullshit.
You could actually potentially do the Sprite challenge and complete it. Have you not heard of it before?
No.
The challenge is to chug a whole bottle of Sprite and not burp. You could literally do it.
Is that all?
Yes! Chug a whole bottle. Not a 2-liter, just like the regular kind of bottle.
Right.
You should see some of the fucking failings in that shit. They're fucking... They're impressive in terms of their burps.
Fuck. Take the rest of the can.
That was me, by the way.
Yeah. Anyway.
Okay. What? I want to try something with you.
What? Do not try to like burp.
No,
do
no. I'm not touching you at all. All you have to do, I want you to take a deep breath in, not too deep, but just like some air, and try and swallow the air. And into you.
All right.
You don't want to, like you want to, and try and like swallow it like it's a piece of food.
Right. I think I feel it. I feel like a complete fucking jackass! Oh, look at me. Oh.
I was literally doing
Holographic meatloaf? My favorite! Alright, well, there we have it, folks. I scientifically, apparently, can't fucking burp. After attempting to drug an entire goddamn Pepsi and doing all this bullshit, I still don't know how to fucking do it. Fuck!
I'm gonna need to make another video out of this.
Fine, hell, I give up. Like, this fucking stupid ass.